Hungary is a small country in the heart of Central Europe with 1,000 years of history. The country has varied geographical features and a rich culture. Hungarians respect their traditions and they are extremely hospitable. Nyíregyháza is in the center of the country's northeast region. This city has been developing dynamically with plenty of sites, and tourism here is prominent. Our secondary school has been operating in its current building in Nyíregyháza since 1975. We are proud of having more than 1,000 students who can participate in different vocational courses, such as catering, tourism, business administration, marketing, and commerce. The Hungarian educational system has been constantly changing. The tasks are carried out by a teaching staff of 70 people. Our vocational teachers have an excellent reputation nationwide. Their expertise guarantees a high standard of education for our chef, waiter, and pastry cook students. Our students are well prepared, and some of them successfully take part in national vocational competitions with good results. During their preparations, they gain useful work experience as well. Students learn and practice in well-equipped, up-to-date chef and pastry cook workshops. The cabinet of waiters also has excellent facilities. For example, students can learn to set the tables using high standard of decorations, similar to those of high-quality restaurants. There are specially designed rooms for training marketing students. In these classrooms, students can acquire the fundamentals of commerce. After 3 years of education, they finish their studies and they take a vocational examination. After a successful examination, they have the opportunity to take their final examination by spending 2 more years learning. After 4 or 5 years of vocational grammar education, students take their final exam and get their Matura certificate. In our school, students can also enjoy the benefits of a bilingual education, tourism in both German and Hungarian languages. These classes are extremely popular with students from all over the region. In September 2017, we launched a new bilingual marketing class in English and Hungarian. After obtaining the final examination and vocational examinations, students can get further skilled certifications in our public school. The educational and pedagogical work is supported in many different ways. There are 4 special information technology classrooms. They meet the requirements of our modern times. The physical education lessons are held for students every day. Students play, run, and do athletics in the gymnasium or in the schoolyard. In the school library, students and teachers have access to a wide range of technical books, novels, compulsory literature, and encyclopedias. They can read magazines, vocational materials, or prepare for their lessons. The student hostel accommodates 73 girls who come from far away to attend our school. The main goal of our school is to equip students with usable knowledge and prepare them for a successful working life.